Welcome to the London Stock Exchange. Can you feel it? The buzz of energy just before the market opens. Feels like the whole city is waiting. We love this moment. For most people, when they think of this place, they think of share prices. All those green and red numbers scrolling around the building. But behind those numbers, there are other deeper values that are just as important. The value of delivery, from media to medicines, from technology to tea. Capital markets help finance the products and services that we use every day. The value of innovation, from vaccines to batteries, breakthroughs don't come cheap. We connect great ideas to capital, helping to build a better future for everybody. And values like trust. For 300 years, trust has been at the heart of every transaction in this city. It still is. Hence our motto, our word is our bond. Today and every day, these are the values behind the numbers. And they're the reason that we're able to bring you moments like this. It's only seconds away now. Everyone is holding their breath. Let's not keep them waiting. It's time to hit the button and open London's market.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My name is Charlie Walker. I'm the Deputy CEO of the London Stock Exchange. It's an absolute pleasure to have you all here with us this morning to celebrate the IPO of Shawbrook. I can assure you there's nothing wrong at the moment, just before everyone starts panicking. We run an auction just before the market opens, and if the reference price, in this case 370, is outside of a tolerance as to where the auction will uncross, it goes into a renewed auction. So in 2 or 3 minutes, you'll see a price on the screen. Hopefully it's an up price, but don't panic. There's no problems. And those pulses that you're seeing going through, those are live orders being reflected into the order book. So we've got 5 or 6 market makers now on the books, and the market supervision team have just said that the orders are starting to flow in very nicely. I'm particularly delighted to be welcomed here today with Marcelino Castrillo, CEO of Shawbrook, and also Lucy Rigby, the Economic Secretary to the Treasury. Marcelino, the mic is yours. Give time for the stock to uncross at least. There you go.
Sorry about that. Yeah, thank you. Well, thank you, Charlie, very much for hosting us here today. Such a special venue, special day. Thank you so much, Lucy, for joining us, making this day even more special. So it's obvious, stating the obvious, this is a very important day for all of us. Shawbrook was founded almost 15 years ago by our shareholders still, Poland Street Capital. And since then, we've grown into being a scale, diversified bank, and one that has lent 37 billion to the UK economy. And today we support 500,000 customers and quite a lot of shareholders as well, I'm pleased to say. Our customers, especially those small and medium-sized companies that we support, are vital to the UK economy. They rely on us for flexible, accessible finance to invest, grow, and create jobs. Alongside them, we help individuals and families save, borrow and plan for the moments that matter, those are the most important times of their lives. We have built Shawbrook with a lot of care and a lot of work to deliver the speed, clarity, and certainty that these customers require and deserve. Today, we have a truly diversified business, one built on what is a very distinct combination of great technology, but more importantly, exceptional talent, but also a growth mindset that is hardwired into the organization. Under private ownership, we've heavily invested in, and grew significantly, we've really much tripled the size of the business over the last few years by deepening our presence in the markets we were in, but also entering new markets. For that, I'd like to thank our two shareholders, Pollen Street Capital and BC Partners, for their support and patience, especially in those moments where things maybe didn't go according to plan. Listing in London is a natural step for us. The UK is our home, and London remains one of the world's deepest and most international capital markets. Being listed in the London Stock Exchange will support the next stage of our growth. It enhances our profile and recognition of Shawbrook in all of the key markets where we operate. But it also broadens our access to a very deep pool of capital, and it helps us continue to attract, retain, and incentivize the great talent, many of them represented here today. We have been personally very encouraged by the reception we had across the UK, Europe, and the US from very high-quality institutions. We also welcome the strong engagement from retail investors, which has been a great surprise. And again, I really welcome the 7,000 retail investors that will form part of our company going forward. Looking ahead, we see a significant opportunity. There is very clear demand for the specialist funding we provide, where speed, flexibility, and service matter. We'll continue to invest in our platform, stay very disciplined, and focus on sustainable and profitable growth. And we have the means, the will, the capacity to play our part in supporting economic growth in the UK, creating... No. Okay. Shall I start from the beginning again? Thank you really to everyone. It's been a long process. It's been an incredibly enriching process, especially our new shareholders that we welcome today, our advisors, many of them represented here, and the team at the London Stock Exchange, but above all to my colleagues at Shawbrook, from our board, our chairman, my leadership team, and the many people across the business who have helped this become a truly differentiated business and also help us get here, and so far so good. But today is in the end. It's the end of the IPO process, but it's the start of the new phase of our journey. We're proud of what we have built together and excited about what comes next. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Marcelino. Thank you.
It's picking up. It's good.
It is. And now I'd like to introduce Lucy Rigby, Economic Secretary to the Treasury, to say a few words. Please, Lucy.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Marcelino, and thank you to Shawbrook for inviting me here today to share in this celebration of what is a hugely significant milestone as you list on the London Stock Exchange. I'm so pleased this is happening. When we met, was it 5-6 weeks ago, we spoke. I'm so pleased this is happening. I'm so pleased to be here with you today, because there's no doubt about it, Marcelino, this, what's happening today is testament to you. It's testament to Shawbrook. And to all your team's work to build a business which, as you say, is trusted by over 500,000 customers. You play a vital and a leading role in supporting small and medium-sized businesses right across the UK. And look, I want to acknowledge also, Marcelino, something that you touched on, which is your vote of confidence in the UK's equity markets, which demonstrates not only our strength and our proud history, but also our current momentum. I was here for the Beauty Tech Group's listing. We had the Fermi America dual listing as well. I think maybe something going on tomorrow. The pipeline is healthy, and it's as I said, fantastically exciting to be here. And one of the things, Marcelino, that really encourages me about today's listing is the fact of your allocation of a certain portion to retail investors, which, of course, is something that we want to encourage. Look, finally, I just want to acknowledge all the work that's gone into today from the point of view of everyone that's been working on this. We know that events like this don't happen overnight, and I've got a list here. I think thanks are due to Barclays, to Goldman Sachs, Keith, Bryett and Woods, Deutsche Numis, UBS, Ardea Partners, Slaughter and May, Kirkland, Linklaters, Teneo and Retail Book. All of you have facilitated the retail offer, and of course I should also mention the FCA as well as the team here at the London Stock Exchange, who I know have worked incredibly hard to get this listing over the line. So congratulations again, Marcelino, congratulations everyone at Shawbrook. Let's hear it again at Shawbrook. Good. Very good. A momentous day. A momentous day. And congratulations. The numbers are good. The numbers are good.
Thank you very much. And again, thank you everyone really for joining us. And we'll move on to the next stage now. Thank you very much indeed. Luca, over to you.